Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online English language classes that we offer. This is actually going to be my last video for a couple of weeks because yesterday was my last day of teaching after a long 12-week term with Lexical Lab Online, and I'm going to be taking 2 weeks off just to recharge my batteries and chill out a little bit. Over the last couple of weeks it's been manic this end. I've been working flat out trying to clear the decks ahead of my holiday. If you clear the decks, you work hard to get everything done so that you're ready for a more important task. In this case, having a holiday, of course. The idea comes from sailing, I guess. The decks are the part of a boat that you walk on. And before you set sail, you probably need to clear the decks to make sure it's easy to walk on them. I suspect the fact that Britain is an island explains why we have so many idioms and metaphors that come from sailing. You might also say to someone, listen, I'd love to take on more work, but at the moment I basically just need to clear the decks here and get everything I need to get done before taking on anything else. A company might try to push a deal through in order to clear the decks before planning to expand, for example. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button below. It helps us with the algorithm. Share it with your friends, your family, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear examples of how you might use clear the decks.